Hi, my name is Farrell Hogenauer and I'm with Home Smart and Lovely Homes. And welcome to your new home in Tonto Verde in beautiful Rio Verde, Arizona. Nestled at the base of the Tonto National Forest, not far from the Verde River, the community of Tonto Verde is one of the best kept secrets in Scottsdale. This master-planned 55 and older community features 2 championship golf courses, award-winning cuisine, pools, a workout facility, and much, much more. Friendly neighbors will wave as you approach your newly built 3-bedroom, 3-bath home plus a study that is situated on the 11th fairway of the ranch golf course. Featuring an open concept floor plan, this energy-efficient home has modern finishes with vaulted ceilings, wood plank tile flooring, a chef-style kitchen, and a backyard perfect for relaxing after a long day on the links. A fantastic home in an award-winning 55 and older community with championship golf courses and amazing views. This home is ready for you to make yours. For more information, give me a call. I'm Farrell Hogenauer with Home Smart and Lovely Homes. You can reach me by calling me at 480-430-1013. Cheers!